Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Uzi D Black here. Back to back with another trend. Yes, so let's enjoy.
Your time, who you been bothering with? Why can I make you mine? You usually texting me, you're taking me, calling me a sign, and now
First step is that boom, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. From this, you go bend the top up. Comienzo. Just two times. Then you book again. Shred. So, ra, che. Ra, che. Boom. 2, 3, 4. And there. Shred. Careful. Careful. Ba. 2, 3. 3 ka? Ra.